wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hey kids, what do you think Noah's doing? Aw, I think he's doing homework. I guess I should be quiet. Shh. I was gonna come see if he wanted to play a game, but I guess I should let him do his homework. Wait, did he say hi to you guys? No. Oh, well, hi kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Olivia. Welcome back to
Dream Again!
Oh, hi Noah.
Hi, Olivia.
How are you?
Good, how are you? What are you doing up there?
I'm good. I was coming to see if you wanted to play tic-tac-toe, but it looks like you're doing homework.
Actually, I've been waiting for you to play tic-tac-toe. I got my piece of paper here and my pencil, and I thought we wanted to play.
What? Noah, why are you playing with a piece of paper and a pencil?
Well, isn't that how you play tic-tac-toe?
Ooh, not if you have a tic-tac-toe board.
We have a board?
Yeah.
So we just, on a board we play tic-tac-toe, but what's the difference?
Well, with a board, you can throw. We're gonna play throw tic-tac-toe.
Throw tic-tac-toe? That sounds difficult.
No, it's easy. Watch. Just like that.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You just threw that at me.
Well, I threw it toward you, not.
Okay, I'm gonna throw it towards you.
Ah! He got me.
Ha!
Yep. Do you want to try my tic-tac-toe?
Well, what do I do with this pencil and piece of paper? I guess so. I guess I should try. Kids,
Yeah.
should we try it?
Yeah. They look very excited. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll come over to your side.
Great.
Hold on. I'm coming.
Yay! Tic-tac-toe. Have you guys ever played this? Oh. Hi, Noah.
I brought some light along.
Thank you.
You see?
Yeah.
I thought I'd make it brighter so the
Yeah.
kids can see us better.
It's very smart to turn that light on. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Would you like some sandbags?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
So this is our throw in a row board.
So if you look over there at the board, what we're gonna do is we throw the sandbags and you get one turn and then I get one turn and whoever gets 3 in a row first wins.
Okay, I think I can win.
Okay. All right, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, you go first.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Oh! Almost.
Oh, I missed.
Oops.
Your turn.
Oh, yay, it's my turn. Oh, I hit it, but it didn't give me a point.
Yeah, it didn't give you a
Yeah.
point. Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
Yay! I got an X.
Okay, so now you're X's and now I'm O's.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, all right, my turn.
Yep.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
And 1, 2, 3. Aw, almost.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
I missed.
Okay, now we gotta get the bag. All right, my turn.
Hold on.
Oh. He's prepping.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm
my
ready.
turn. Oh man, I got you an X. Oops.
Oh, now I just need to hit that top one and then I won.
Yeah, unless it turns it to an O.
No.
Yeah. Oop, almost.
Almost.
Okay, let me get my next one. All right, I'm ready and go. Oh man, I missed.
Oh, I got another X.
Whoa, you're doing really good.
I know.
Hold on, I'm out of bags. I gotta go get the bags.
Okay, get the bags. You're back again. Did you bring my bags too?
Yep, here's your 2.
Thank
Here
you.
we go, my turn. All right, here we go. Oh, here we go. Oh.
My turn.
Your turn.
Oh,
Oh,
I almost got that one.
almost. Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
Man.
That was way over.
Yeah, I lobbed it over the top.
You lobbed it over the top. My turn.
Your turn.
Oh.
Oh, yours was to the side.
Mine was to the side.
Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
Okay, I'm gonna try real hard this time. And 1, 2.
Nope.
Aw, man.
Okay, I'll get him now.
Okay, thank you.
You entertain the kids.
Okay, I will.
I'll be right back, kids. I'm back again.
Yay! Did you bring me mine? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks. Okay, it's your turn.
Okay, my turn. Let me get ready.
Okay.
1,
Mhm.
2,
Mhm.
3.
Ah! You hit it, but it didn't turn.
Oh no,
Uh-oh.
it did turn. I did get an X. Don't you see
Oh,
on the right
at
side?
the bottom. Sorry, I was looking in the middle. Well, it did turn. You didn't win yet, but yeah. Oh, man. I don't have any O's, and Noah has 4 X's. 4. Ooh, the pressure's on. Okay, all right. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Man.
Go Noah. Go Noah.
Yeah, Noah, you're just rocking at this game, huh?
Yeah. My turn?
Your
My
turn.
I'm trying to get the
Almost.
one on the bottom.
Yeah, that's a good call. Okay, I'm gonna try for a different one.
Okay, your turn.
For anyone. I might try to hit the one on the bottom too.
Okay. Nope.
I got the one on the top, but it didn't turn.
No, it didn't turn.
Nope.
Harder.
No.
Gotta harder.
I think, yeah.
Okay, my turn.
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
You got that on the bottom, but it didn't turn.
Didn't turn.
Oh
Okay.
no. Okay.
Your turn to get the bags.
Okay, I'll go get the bags.
Yep. We're gonna continue playing. You gotta beat me.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you.
All right, it's my turn, right?
I'm gonna win. I'm going to win, kids. I'm going to win. Win.
Noah's not a very good winner, because when Noah wins, he brags too much. Don't brag. Not nice. Okay, my turn. Ooh, that's dangerous.
You just hit that on the top there.
Yeah, but now when you throw yours, who knows what that bag will do, huh? Ooh.
Okay, it's my
Crazy.
turn.
Yep, your turn.
My turn, kids. I'm gonna get this. Oh no!
That was so close. Okay. My turn. Oh. I almost threw 2 at once. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Yay, I'm finally on the board.
You are finally on the board.
Yay! Great.
Get me some.
Okay, your turn.
No!
Ooh! Now there's lots of them on the board, huh? Now we don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
1, 2. Aw.
My turn to get him.
Yep, your turn to get him.
Okay, I'll be back.
Okay, thank you.
Who's going to win in the game? Am I going to win? Come on, Magic 8 Ball. What's the answer? Yes! I'm going to win.
Does it say yes? Oh, I don't believe you. You didn't show me. Okay, it's my turn, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you get 1. Nope. No. 2. Mine. Okay, thank you. All right, kids. I need you to pull real hard for Team Olivia, okay? So just put all your thoughts into getting that O. Oh, I hit the right one, but it didn't turn. Aw. Oh, no!
I got an X.
I missed. This time it's Noah's turn first. Give me an O. Give me an L. Give me an I. Give me a V. Give me an I. Give me an A. Olivia! Yay! Olivia! Yay!
Are you done yet?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for you.
Here you go. A little bit of patience would do you good.
What? Noah telling me about patience? That seems silly.
Okay,
your turn.
No!
What? You even hit it. Wow. That top corner one's hard. My turn.
That was
That
close.
corner's hard to hit.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
but
that was closer.
Ah, I hit the edge.
Oh, yay, edge. Well,
That didn't help me though.
no. No, but it was close. Okay, my turn. Well, now I've got a lot of O's. Oh!
Okay, well, good luck
Oh.
with that one.
Thanks.
My turn?
Your turn. They should probably include more bags with this game. Like, there should be 5 blue and 5 red. Because then we'd only have to get up way less often. Yeah.
Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
Guess it's my turn.
Ooh, so close. Okay,
Close.
my turn. Nope.
Okay.
Your turn.
Oh.
Oh, now there's a lot of O's.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Okay, my turn. Oh, my turn. I'm just going for any of them. Oh, I almost got one. Ooh, there's a lot of O's now.
Yeah.
Wow. There are so many O's right now.
There are. Not
Yeah.
good for me. Not good,
Good for me,
Team
good
Noah.
for me. Go Team Olivia. Team O for Olivia.
Okay, your turn.
Oh, no. Oh, that one should have turned.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's a hard one. Oh, man. All right. Oh, it's your turn again. Oh, I have one more turn.
It's your turn.
It is my turn. Wow, okay, my turn. Oh,
Well,
we are so close, guys. Whew. This game is intense. Wow. Thank you.
okay, you're welcome. It's my turn.
Yep, your turn. Oh. Wow, that was a good throw.
I missed.
Yeah, but you threw it real hard.
Your turn.
Okay, my turn.
Now, why did you do that? Ah!
Oh! Olivia! Oh, it's for Olivia! Oh, it's for Olivia! Go Team Olivia! Yay!
That's not good.
Thanks for playing with me, Noah. I had a great time.
Yeah, I'm not gonna play with my paper and pencil. So,
Yeah, I agree. Can we play on paper and pencil next time?
yeah,
Yeah,
it's better.
sounds good.
Okay.
Good game. High five.
High five.
Thank you.
Well, kids, thanks
Yeah.
for tuning in and watching us throw
Yeah.
in a row.
Yay! Thank you guys. Have a good day.
Have a good day. We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Go Team Olivia. Oh, oh, oh.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!